The journey of sperm production is a remarkable story of biology and human potential. Deep within the male body, a microscopic drama unfolds every day, shaping the foundation of new life. To truly understand how the male body creates sperm, we must venture into the intricacies of the reproductive system, exploring the timeline, the cellular processes, and the amazing orchestration that transforms primitive cells into the carriers of genetic legacy. It all begins in the testicles, two oval-shaped organs nestled within the scrotum. Their primary task is the production of sperm, tiny cells designed to fertilize an egg and spark the creation of a new human being. The process at work here is called spermatogenesis, a sophisticated sequence that takes place within the seminiferous tubules, which are tightly coiled structures filling the interior of each testicle. Spermatogenesis is not a rapid event. In fact, from start to finish, it takes around 64 days for a single sperm cell to be created. This lengthy journey begins with stem cells known as spermatogonia. These cells, resting near the outer edge of the seminiferous tubules, represent the primal starting point of sperm production. Through a process called mitosis, spermatogonia multiply, ensuring a continuous supply of cells ready for the next stage. As some of these spermatogonia mature, they embark on the path of meiosis, a specialized form of cell division that is essential for sexual reproduction. Meiosis is unique because it halves the number of chromosomes in each sperm cell, ensuring that when sperm meets egg, the resulting embryo has the correct genetic blueprint, half from the father, half from the mother. The first division creates primary spermatocytes, which then divide again to form secondary spermatocytes. These, in turn, split into spermatids, which are immature sperm cells. At this point, the basic building blocks are in place, but the spermatids are not yet ready for action. They must undergo another transformation called spermiogenesis. During this phase, the spermatids elongate, shedding excess cytoplasm and forming the distinctive tail, known as the flagellum, that will propel them forward. They also develop an acrosome, a specialized cap filled with enzymes that help the sperm penetrate and fertilize the egg. Throughout these stages, the developing sperm cells receive vital support from Sertoli cells. These nurse-like cells line the seminiferous tubules, providing nourishment, protection, and guidance. Sertoli cells also help to create a barrier between the bloodstream and the developing sperm, shielding them from potential toxins and the body's own immune system, which might otherwise mistake them for foreign invaders. Once spermiogenesis is complete, the mature sperm, now called spermatozoa, are released into the lumen, the central space of the seminiferous tubules. But their journey is far from over. They are swept along into the epididymis, a long coiled tube sitting atop the testicle. Here, the sperm undergo final maturation, gaining the ability to swim and fertilize an egg. This process, known as capacitation, is critical to their future success. The epididymis doesn't just serve as a finishing school for sperm, it also acts as a storage facility, holding millions of mature cells until ejaculation. At any given moment, a healthy male produces around 1,000 sperm per second, amounting to billions every month. Despite this abundance, only a small fraction ever have the chance to reach and fertilize an egg. Hormones play a crucial role in regulating the sperm production cycle. The process is orchestrated by signals from the brain, specifically the hypothalamus and pituitary gland. The hypothalamus releases gonadotropin-releasing hormone, GnRH, which prompts the pituitary gland to secrete two key hormones: follicle-stimulating hormone, FSH, and luteinizing hormone, LH. FSH stimulates the Sertoli cells, while LH triggers the Leydig cells, another type of cell within the testes, to produce testosterone. This male sex hormone is essential for the development and maintenance of male reproductive tissues and the progression of spermatogenesis. Testosterone's influence extends beyond the testicles, shaping secondary sexual characteristics such as muscle mass, body hair, and voice deepening. But within the testicles, its role is absolutely vital. It acts as a switch, activating the genes necessary for sperm creation and supporting the entire process from stem cell to mature sperm. The male body is designed for efficiency in reproduction. During ejaculation, sperm are propelled through the vas deferens, a muscular tube that merges with the seminal vesicles and prostate gland. These accessory glands contribute fluids that nourish and protect the sperm, creating semen, the medium through which sperm travel. The seminal fluid provides energy, buffers against the acidic environment of the female reproductive tract, and contains substances that help the sperm swim faster, increasing their chances of reaching the egg. Despite the vast numbers produced, the journey to fertilization is fraught with obstacles. From the moment sperm enter the female body, they encounter a hostile environment: acidic pH, immune defenses, and physical barriers. Of the hundreds of millions of sperm released, only a few hundred reach the area near the egg, and typically, only one succeeds in penetrating its protective layers. The entire sperm production cycle is a testament to biological precision. It reflects not only the power of cellular machinery, but also the delicate balance of hormonal control. Factors such as age, health, lifestyle, and environment can all influence sperm quality and quantity. Poor nutrition, stress, exposure to toxins, and certain illnesses can disrupt spermatogenesis, reducing fertility or causing abnormalities in sperm. Yet, the body's ability to continually produce new sperm is an example of resilience and renewal. Unlike female egg production, which is fixed at birth, males generate fresh sperm throughout most of their lives, continually replenishing the supply. This ongoing cycle ensures that the potential for creating new life is always present, adapting to changing circumstances and demands. Understanding the sperm production cycle gives us insight into the profound complexity of human reproduction. It's a story of growth, transformation, and survival, a process that begins with tiny stem cells and culminates in the possibility of new beginnings. Every sperm cell represents a unique combination of genetic material, carrying the potential for individuality and the promise of future generations. From the silent work within the testicles to the challenges of fertilization, the male body's creation of sperm is a marvel of nature. It is a reminder of the intricate systems that underpin life itself and of the extraordinary journey that unfolds, unseen, every day. By appreciating the science and wonder behind sperm production, we gain a deeper understanding of how new life begins and the remarkable processes that make it all possible.